Dina, it is great to see you on a weekend. Great to see you on a
Yes.
Saturday. So this weekend, we are done with Saturday. So
Yes.
one half done. Tomorrow, though, any chance people can go outside, do a little walk around? What's it looking like?
I have a feeling that you would like to go outside and do a little walk around.
Okay.
And you're going to need your big jacket. It's going to be
Okay.
cloudier and it's going to be colder tomorrow. So I think it's going to feel a little bit more November-y. For today, it was actually a bit warmer than it's been lately. So some of us actually got into the low 50s today. If the temperatures were in the 40s earlier, sometimes at the end of the day, they do some rounding. So Wiscasset did get up to 50 degrees, got up to 50 in Sanford as well, 51 there in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. So again, if it was like 49.6, for example, they do round that up to 50 degrees at the end of the day. So right now we see mostly clear skies across the state with the exception of a little bit of cloud cover in the mountains, and actually some of our warmest temperatures right now across the state are in those areas. So tomorrow, therefore, is going to be a bit of a role reversal from what we saw today. If you're up very early, you might see a little bit of sunshine, but we do build in the cloud cover pretty quickly, I think before midday. And that's ahead of a little disturbance that'll be coming in from the west. It'll bring some more snow showers to an area like upstate New York or Vermont, but by the time it gets to us here in Maine, it's pretty moisture starved. So you might see a little flurry or a little shower late Sunday evening into very early Monday morning, but I think most of the state here ends up dry, and we start out with some more cloud cover, but we will see some more sunshine in the afternoon on Monday, especially in the southern 2/3 of the state. We do build in more cloud cover for Tuesday because that is ahead of our next system, and this one's going to be a little bit more tricky. I also wanted to mention on Monday it will be a little bit windy, wind gusts up to about 20-25 miles per hour. So here's our next system. It comes in with a warm front late on Tuesday night. So some areas of the mountains, for example, the higher elevations or far northern Maine may see some mixed precipitation, but it's a warm front and it's a warm-based system. So most of us will see some rain showers Tuesday overnight. And then Wednesday, we end up being in between the two fronts. So there might be a stray shower around, especially Wednesday night into early Thursday morning. But I think most of Thanksgiving actually remains dry. There might be a stray shower in an area like northern or down east Maine very early in the morning, but I think most of us will have a dry, albeit windy Thanksgiving. So here's our Thanksgiving Day first look. I wanted to at least break it down a little bit. We have our windy turkey here. So earlier in the day, mostly cloudy skies. It will be windy throughout much of the afternoon, clearing skies in the afternoon and evening, remaining windy for the duration of the day. Marine forecast sees 1 to 3 feet. Ocean temperature is 48 degrees. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Mostly cloudy during the day tomorrow. You might see a little bit of sunshine if you're up fairly early. You might see a little flurry or a sprinkle Sunday night into Monday. Again, that's a very moisture-starved system, so there's not going to be a ton of shower activity there. Bailey, more showers come in mainly Tuesday night and Wednesday night. So if you are going to be doing some Thanksgiving travel, that is something to keep in mind. But Thanksgiving Day itself looks to be dry.
I am just cracking up over the windy turkey.
I loved that. I had to include it.
Oh my gosh, how perfect. I hope to see him again.
Hey, maybe he'll pop up again later.
He probably will on Thanksgiving.
True.
Okay, thank you.